Tom likes birds very much and doesn't want to just to see them in books.
Dad, there's a bird! Look at the birdhouse!
It doesn't seem so easy to capture a bird.
Is it this kind of bird?
Maybe. Nor is it easy to be a good dad. But I don't want to see him disappointed. I found a smart AI bird feeder camera called Birdfy. It can automatically identify more than 6,000 species of bird. This is Birdfy feeder with volume of 1.1 liters. It automatically drops food for our lovely guests. The Birdfy cam captures the moments of birds coming. With a massive database of more than 6,000 species of birds, Birdfy cam can instantly use its cutting-edge technology and AI recognition to identify the birds and deliver the information directly to your phone.
Eurasian tree sparrow? Squirrel, go away!
Birdfy's enhanced 1080 pixel FHD lens and 110 degrees wide view angle capture the live streaming of birds visiting, and those moments will be saved in the NETVUE app automatically. NETVUE Birdfy Cam, as an AI assistant, helps us learn the birds, capture the perfect shots day and night, and become their friends. For your information, is waterproof. NETVUE Birdfy Cam, the choice of bird lovers.